I want to show you how to convert your elevations to be just black and white or to be just plain. How to make your elevations plain. You know, right now when you open your elevation, you will see something like this in your elevations. You can see that, right? Is what you'll be seeing in your elevations. So right now, I want to show you how to make your elevations plain. You won't be seeing the colors or whatsoever you use in your elevation. You will be seeing this kind of colors. What you'll be seeing is just everything will just be so plain. Everything will just be so plain as it is meant to be. I've seen some people produce elevations like this. It is very, very wrong because it doesn't have color. It's not clear. It's not, you can't progress. You can't make something significant with this. So for you to produce a very wonderful elevations, then you must make sure that you follow this step correctly. So we're going to highlight all the elevations I. So after highlighting all the elevation, then you right click on elevation selection setting. After clicking on the elevation selection setting, you come over to here, which is fill on cut surface width. Once you click it, you see this, nothing. The current one is old material shaded. So we're now changing this one to what? Nothing. Once you click on nothing, then we click OK. And that is it. Then we'll open our elevation again to see how it is. So you can see this is now a very clear elevation. Hope you get what I did. I will repeat the process again. I highlighted all my elevations so that whenever I open any of the elevations, they are the same. If you highlight only one, you will only effect that change on only that one you highlighted. So you must ensure you highlight the 4 of them. Then you right click, come to elevation selection settings, which is the first setting you will see. Come over to here. Because I've changed it to nothing, that is why it's this plain like this. You click this and make sure that it is on nothing. After clicking on nothing, you click OK, and that is it. So any elevation you open at all, it has the same pattern. You can see this is very clear. Once you put your grid lines in your plan and you open your elevations, everything will be very, very wonderful.